To find your perfect new home, we need to discuss two topics: the house and the overall environment. Let's talk about the neighborhood first. Royal Harbour is nicely situated on Little Lake Harris, just across the road from the Lake Harris boat ramps. Very close for you boaters out there. Free storage is offered at Royal Harbour for your boat, RV or trailer. Royal Harbour is also a golf cart community that offers an abundance of sporting opportunities to keep you healthy and happy. Now, let's talk about the house. If you want an immaculate pool home with no rear neighbors, this is an excellent choice. This home received a new roof July 2024, and the gas pool heater and pool pump have also been replaced. As you enter the home through the screened front porch, you will see the wow factor this house has to offer. The vaulted ceilings give the living area plenty of light. Note the engineered hardwood floors in the family room and dining area, as well as in the bedrooms. The kitchen has a breakfast nook with display shelves, new quartz worktops, and a spacious breakfast bar. Stainless steel appliances in the kitchen are included along with the washer and dryer in the separate laundry room. 8-foot sliding doors take you out to the lanai and pool area. Relax and enjoy a drink by the pool in this peaceful oasis with shade from the large lanai. This charming space is great for entertaining. Sliding doors go from the pool to the master bedroom as well. This roomy master bedroom was recently remodeled with a large walk-in shower. There is also a linen closet and a large walk-in closet. 2 more bedrooms, with Murphy beds and closets, share the second bathroom, which has a linen closet, Corian counters, and a tub shower combo. Lovingly cared for by the owners and tastefully painted throughout, the home is ready for you to move in. Some of the furnishings are for sale. Please take time to visit the clubhouse, pool, hot tub area, and wonderful facilities with your agent. To schedule a private showing, please contact Elaine Auston from Olympus Executive Realty. Thank you.